Hey there guys. Okay, so today we'll be looking on how to fix this D3100 shutter error. So just start off. You can see this thing pops out, error, press shutter release button again. So to fix that, first you need to take the lens out. Just do it by twisting over here. Okay, this pops it out. You can see, so what's wrong is that this lens is actually stuck over here, right on that corner, that stuff. And this one you can see it's absolutely free. I shouldn't be doing this, but I'll just show you what I mean by this. You see the lens is actually free on this one, however it's stuck in this one. If you just try to press the shutter, it keeps just locking in. See, it's not coming out. So you need to pull this lock aside and try to get this lens out. Okay, so I just use this sharp knife over here and just pulled it out. So now you can see it's free. It's moving freely right now. And if you just power it on and do this keeping your cam off, just power it on right now, you can see that. Shutter is supposed to move. Okay, just try mounting the lens. Okay, let's power it on. Yeah, you can see it's working right now. Yep. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do to fix a shutter. It's just a shutter gets stuck somewhere. So just take a sharp object and just pull it free, and you're done. Okay, thanks guys.